Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integration 1 upon a to the power x b to the power x dx. I is equal to integration 1 upon a to the power x b to the power x dx. So, can we write 1 upon a multiply b to the power x, because here powers are same, so according to exponent properties a multiply b, and we can write here ab to the power negative x dx by exponent property. Here we put minus x is equal to t. When we differentiate, minus dx is equal to dt, and dx value minus dt. So I is equal to integration a b to the power t, because minus x value t. And what is dx? Dx is minus dt. So minus right here, and this dt. Minus means minus 1. We know that integration formula, if a to the power or any variable a to the power x dx, so a to the power x divided by ln a plus c. This formula we apply here. So I is equal to minus here this a to the power x. So here actually ab to the power t. So ab to the power t divided by ln ab plus c. Now we can put t value. T value was minus x. We can put minus x. So minus ab to the power minus x divided by ln ab plus c. And our question was in this form, a to the power x b to the power x. So we can write in this form and use exponent properties. So minus a to the power minus x b to the power minus x divided by ln a b plus c, and this is our final answer. So if you know integral formulas, this one, and you substitute like that, so it's very easy. But if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.